Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to yet another vlog of ElectroPixels. Today we are going to repair and fix a Samsung M51 smartphone. This is first M series smartphone from Samsung with 7000 mAh big battery. Here in this smartphone the complaint is battery charging problem. See here, the phone battery is full discharged, while plugging to charger it doesn't charging. See here, we already opened the mobile phone back cover. Here you can see two boards, a sub board from charger side and a main board. Actually these two boards are connected with this cable connector. While I pressing the cable connector in main side of the cable, the phone charging symbol will come. If I release the hand, then charging will stop. So here it's a connector fault. It's a common complaint in these models Samsung mobile phones. It's a common issue. Here the subboard is okay, problem is with main board connector. Here the permanent solution is connector replacement along with the cable. Here actually the 5V input VCC is missing, that's why it's not charging. Here you can see the VCC section is in left side at the end of the connector. Here we are going to perform a small modification, a kind of temporary fixing method, but it will work fine. We need to do that method properly. So here we are planning to bypass the input VCC to the motherboard using a jumper wire from the subboard to the main board. Before that, let's apply some lead by soldering in both test points. See friends, finally here we bypass the connection directly by a jumper wire safely. Now let's reconnect all the cables back to this mobile phone and check it before charging. Finally all cables are connected. Now let's try to put this mobile in charging and check the mobile is charging or not. See. friends, now the mobile started charging. Here we need to wait some time because the battery is fully drained. Finally the charging is showing 5%. Now the next step is to fix this jumper wire using double side tape. Finally here we properly fixed the jumper wire. Now let's turn on the mobile. See friends, now the mobile turned on, so that's it. Now the work is done, so hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.